Welcome to Special Car Stoke. My name is Umesh Samani. I'm the proprietor of Specialist Car Stoke. We do a full walk around video of every single car to show you how nice all our cars are. So please enjoy the walk around video of this car and I'll tell you why you should be buying your car from me. What a gorgeous looking sports coupe this is. It is absolutely beautiful. This is the Mazda MX5 RF Sport Navigation. Absolutely love the colour on this. This is the Soul Red Pearl. A beautiful car. Great spec on these. This is the 2 litre 160 brake horsepower. It's got these great anthracite alloy wheels from the factory. Beautiful down the bodywork. No major dents or scratches or scuffs on the car. All the wheels are in beautiful condition, not been damaged or curved badly at all. Great fun car. Absolutely fabulous with the hood down. Got the electric folding hood, which does not compromise the boot space. Great size boot, nice deep boot. The hood just nicely folds away. In the old days this would be classed as a target top, which you'd have to store away, but with the electric it nicely folds away out of the way. Gorgeous inside. Beautiful black dashboard stitching with the red. Satellite navigation. Nice clear screen with all the functions on there. Radio. Nice easy to control. Bluetooth connection. All clear there. Dual zone climate control. Heated front seats, 3 position, 1, 2, 3 on there. USB input. 6-speed manual gearbox. All the media satellite navigation controlled nicely with this module there. Easy to reach. Nice layout, multi-functional leather steering wheel. Look at that beautiful upholstery, full black leather with the red stitching. All in great condition. No damage to that at all. Radio controls, voice activation, Bluetooth connection. Cruise control, all nicely controlled from the leather steering wheel. lane assist, which can be switched off if you so wished. Clearly shown on the dashboard. Easy to operate electric hood. Even shows you on the dashboard how the progress is on the dash. Very, very nifty. Just 27,506 miles, 27,506 miles with full service history. Just look how sleek this hood works. So quick, so easy. Flick of a button, neatly folds away. As I mentioned, no compromise to the boot space. Folds behind the seats and in front of the boot. Great transformation. A great all year round fun car, looking absolutely stunning. 160 brake horsepower, combined miles per gallon 40 plus with a Skyactiv engine. It really is a fabulous car to drive. 2 sets of keys, complete book pack, we welcome part exchange, great finance, always available direct from ourselves. Click and collect. Any further details, please give us a call on 01782 822 700. Read about our raving fans reviews and you'll see why customers come back to us time and time again. Specialist Cars based in Stoke-on-Trent, a multi-award winning dealer. Further details on 01782 822 700. So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple. We've been established since 1997 and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, or exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get update of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you, give us a call 01782 822 700.